Good morning, people of the world. It's day 2 down under in Australia, hosting Vuba Resin bound training courses, and today we're doing some VubaRend steps, the very first one in Australia. I'm absolutely buzzing to get started. Let's go.
Join our hands-on training course in Perth, Australia, and learn about all the things you need for resin bound. First up is VubaRend, our vertical binder which is perfect for steps and walls. We kick the course off with a theory session where we make sure you have the knowledge you need for the practical part of the course by covering all the technical details.
Australian barras. Real mean. Australian barras, man.
On the second day, first up is VubaMac, the revolutionary permeable base created specifically for resin bound. We'll guide you through the mixing process, the application, and ensure you get a chance to lay it yourself to get a feel for the products with trained professionals to assist. Finally, we'll take you through the fundamentals of the resin bound topping. Here's what Harry has to say.
Resin bound 101. Let's have it. Mixing is the most important part of this job, if you ask me. You know, troweling is easy. Obviously, it's a skilled job all around, but if your mixer man is not on point and he does one thing wrong, it's going to mess your job up. Routine is key with mixing. Everything wants to be done the same throughout the day. Get a routine and stick to it. So we've added all of us 2 to 5 mil in the mixer now. Then we'll add us 1 to 3 mix. Let that mix for 10-15 seconds just to get it spread out throughout the mixer. And then we'll go in with a spot. Always when you're mixing as well, lads, keep where you put your resin on the mixer in the same place every time. Binding quartz, lads. It's really important to add it slowly. If you add it too fast, it will clump up. You want to stay away from the corner where the resin is, otherwise it will stick. So we try and put everything in this side, resin in that side. And if you stay doing this every time, your mixers are going to be consistent, you're going to keep your mixer clean, and you're going to go home happy at the end of the day.
After the detailed run-through of the mixing process, the team begin to lay the Vuba topping. You'll learn using tools like the sledge, spazzle and trowel with expert guidance from our Vuba Approved Installers. And starting this October, the course now includes GrassMac, our new purpose-built base system designed specifically for artificial grass. Spaces are limited on this course, so book now. Contact us to secure your spot today.